Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we want to review this platform that promises you can earn money just by calling friends using their app. Now, I have seen some review about this platform and I said it's important I share with you also. Maybe you might earn from it. But before I go into this video properly, I want to make a disclaimer here. I am not making you any guarantees. I am not making you any promises. Whatever I'm sharing here is only for information purposes. Therefore, you are expected to make your due research and understand that result will vary. For your result and my result will never be the same. Okay, now I haven't put that out of the way. Now let's look into this app where you can earn money by just calling friends. Okay, you're going to see here. What if you could talk to your friends and get paid? That's what the app is saying. Now, basically, you're going to see if you go down to the landing page, that's the website page, you're going to see all of these things, but you're going to need to install the app itself first. Okay, so you need to install it. I'm going to be leaving the link in the comment section so that you can just easily install it. Okay, but just going through it, you're going to see the things here and what you want. That means you can actually decide how much you want just by talking. Now, how does it really work? First of all, you're going to register, install the app, and then you find friends. You find friends. And by the way, the name of this app, I forgot to mention it, is Fluffle. Okay, Fluffle is the name. So you find friends, you make a call on Fluffle, and then of course, they're going to review your calls, and once they review your call and it's approved, they pay you. So that's how it works. But don't worry, I'm going to guide you through exactly how you can go about it. Now basically here, they are going to send your voice to an AI. So that means your voice is actually training AI. in other, in other words, this is an AI training app that trains AI using your voice. You understand? Okay, so you get paid. Now, we're going to look at the frequently asked questions because you need to understand some things about this before you go deep into it. Okay, now what is Fluffle? Of course, I already said that it's a platform that promises to pay you to make calls. Okay, and it's they are into AI data training, so that means they're going to be training AI with your voice. As you're making call, they are recording your voice, and then they are using it to train AI, right? So that's how it is. Now you just take your time to go through the frequently asked question page so that you can get more answers to your question. But let's go and install the app and see how the inside dashboard is and how you can be able to start this thing right away and see if they will deliver the promise they have made. So just click on this Google Play Store here or App Store. I don't know if you're using an iPhone. Just click on it and install it. Now, once you have installed it, it will take you down to the app itself. So I was trying to do some restrictions on the app. Now, this is where I left off. So I've already put in, selected my language, my date of birth, my country, all of those basic information. I have selected that already. Now, I was left off here before I started recording this video. Now the next thing is just click on next. Your voice has value. Just click on next, and then it will take you down to the next one where you can be able now to start earning according to what they are saying here. So how it works, you're going to see different ways on how it works. Now they promise that you can earn $20 per hour per call. Okay, that's per hour, not per call. It's per hour when you join a section. Now all you need to do is simple. Just click on this place that says join section. Once you have registered, click on this place that says join section, and then it's going to now take you down to, if you have already made a call before, you will see your call history. But if not, you are going to need to add some friends. Okay, you need to add some friends, and then just either by searching their username or by inviting them with your link. Okay, either by searching by their username or by inviting them with their link. So if you haven't made a call, that means you need to invite with link. Just click on invite friends and then share this with them either on Facebook or Telegram or wherever. Okay, and then you can be able to add them. Now you can also find friends here by simply just going down to the add friends section and then clicking on the name. Now I already have one friend that is pending. You're going to see that one friend request that is pending, so I'm waiting for the person to approve it. Now once the person approves it, then we will start making calls. Now once we make call, according to what they say, that they're going to analyze our voice, analyze the call, and they will remove some personal details. They will remove it, and then once they approve it, we'll get paid. Okay, now you're going to see different other usernames here. Remember that the more calls you make, the more money you earn. That means it's important to have a lot of friends that you are going to make calls with. And they also promise $20 per hour, which is a good money here in Nigeria. If they deliver according to this promise, that means that's about 30,000 naira. Okay, yeah, almost about 26,000 naira per hour here. And I imagine you're earning just 3 hours a day. That is over 60,000 naira, right? Okay, now let's go back here. You're going to see, if you click on the wallet section, you will see withdrawal address and the address. Now they pay in USDC. Okay, USDC, so that means you can actually withdraw from anywhere you are in the world. There is no paper restriction here. You can withdraw it with your Binance, with your BitGet or Bybit, anyone. Okay, just copy your USDC wallet address and then withdraw once you have made money with the app. Yeah, so my final verdict is this: go ahead and check it out. Okay, check it out. It's free, it's not costing you anything. My philosophy is, as long as the website is not costing me a dime, if it's just data and my time, I am willing to try it out to see if it works out. If it works out, all right. Okay. If it doesn't work out, I move on with other make money online opportunities. So guys, you can check it out since it's free and they're not asking you to put in any money. So I will recommend you check it out and then find out yourself. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you share this with other people who are also interested in learning more ways to earn money online. Okay, and then hit the thumbs up button, because if you do, YouTube is going to send it to more people who also need to discover this opportunity. And subscribe. To subscribe is free. You don't have to actually pay money to subscribe. So just hit the subscribe button. Okay, hit it, because it's not going to actually cost you a dime to subscribe. Just a click and you are good to go. All right, thanks guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video, but until then, join us on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Bye for now.